Hey everyone, we're back with another round of the coolest gadgets from Amazon. You can find the links to all the products in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell for notifications. "15 amazing Amazon gadgets for the ultimate home upgrade." Xiaomi Portable Bluetooth Speaker. The Xiaomi Portable Bluetooth Speaker is a small powerhouse, delivering impressive 30-watt audio with options for normal and deep bass modes. Its sleek design won the 2024 Red Dot Award, and it's easy to see why. It's compact, stylish, and user-friendly. When I first tried it, I was amazed by the rich audio quality. The bass radiators at each end enhance sound depth, making every song more immersive, even though it lacks distinct left-right audio separation. Its standout feature is the multi-speaker pairing, allowing up to 100 speakers to sync for a full-room audio experience. However, the speaker only supports Bluetooth connectivity, so it may not suit those looking for versatility with wired options. Bluetooth 5.4 ensures a stable connection, even at a distance, and its hands-free call capability, though limited in usefulness, adds a nice extra feature. If you're after a portable speaker with impressive sound and multi-pairing functionality, Xiaomi's speaker is an excellent choice. Ecobee New Smart Thermostat. The Ecobee Smart Thermostat Enhanced is designed for energy savings and comfort, potentially reducing heating and cooling costs by up to 26%. Its smart features automatically adjust to your schedule, preheating or pre-cooling your home based on whether you're in or away. I replaced my old Honeywell thermostat with this model and was pleasantly surprised by the easy setup, even for someone relatively handy with tech. The device provides extensive usage reporting, which adds an informative touch I didn't have with my previous thermostat. The thermostat integrates seamlessly with smart home platforms, allowing remote control via smartphone or even Apple Watch. It's made to last with quality materials and is hardwired to avoid battery replacements. For additional convenience, the optional smart sensor measures temperatures in specific rooms like bedrooms, adding more control for optimal comfort. Overall, the Ecobee Enhanced is a powerful upgrade, combining ease of use with long-term savings. Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum brings convenience and high-performance cleaning to any home, especially those with pets. It uses powerful suction and Shark's Matrix Clean navigation, which methodically covers every inch, even passing multiple times to ensure nothing's missed. I appreciate the precision 360-degree LiDAR mapping, which navigates and adapts to changes in my home layout without missing a spot. The vacuum is incredibly hands-free, equipped with a self-emptying base that can hold up to 30 days of debris, and HEPA filtration that traps 99.97% of dust and allergens. Voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant adds to the convenience, making it easy to start cleaning on demand or set schedules. With up to 120 minutes of runtime, this vacuum handles large spaces effortlessly, and it recharges to continue cleaning without intervention. The Shark AI Ultra is ideal for busy households, delivering thorough and intelligent cleaning with minimal hassle. Eufy Video Smart Lock S330. The Eufy Video Smart Lock S330 combines security and convenience, merging a 2K HD camera, fingerprint recognition, and video doorbell into a sleek, user-friendly design. With 5 ways to unlock: fingerprint, Eufy security app, voice assistant, keypad, or key, access is as easy as it is secure. The rapid fingerprint reader is highly responsive, while the keypad adds a polished, functional touch. Through the Eufy app, remote control and notifications are straightforward, allowing you to monitor the door and manage visitors effortlessly. The 10,000 mAh battery offers nearly a year of use on a single charge, which compensates for its long recharge time. Installation is a breeze and takes only about 15 minutes without drilling, suitable for most standard deadbolts in the US and Canada. Plus, with IP65 water resistance, it's built to withstand weather extremes. It even includes an optional chime with expandable video storage. Overall, the S330 is an excellent choice for those seeking reliable, integrated home security. Smart Video Doorbell Camera by Ecobee. The Ecobee Smart Video Doorbell Camera offers full HD 1080p HDR and two-way talk, letting you greet visitors or monitor your entryway from anywhere. The wide 175-degree vertical and 187-degree diagonal view captures head-to-toe footage, while Smart Focus zooms in on guests or packages. Its advanced radar and motion detection ensure precise alerts, filtering out unnecessary notifications and focusing on people and packages. Built for durability, the doorbell is hardwired with IP65 water resistance, working reliably in extreme temperatures. It's designed to integrate seamlessly with Ecobee's ecosystem, connecting with Ecobee's Smart Thermostat Premium and alerting through Apple HomePods and Alexa devices. Installation is simple, with clear app guidance, and it includes a 3-year warranty. A month of Ecobee's Smart Security subscription is also included for added features like 24/7 monitoring and extended video storage. This doorbell is an ideal choice for Apple HomeKit and Alexa users looking for robust, weather-resistant home security with excellent video clarity and seamless smart home integration. Xsense Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector. The Xsense Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Detector combines advanced smoke and CO sensors with a voice alarm, delivering crucial alerts like smoke detected in living room to help you act fast in emergencies. Designed for 10 years of use, this hardwired detector has a backup CR123A battery to keep it running even during power outages. It also supports interconnectivity, so if one alarm goes off, all units in the system sound the alert. Installation can be easy or tricky, depending on your home's setup. The device uses a round mount, making it compatible with standard circular receptacles. However, square or irregular setups may require additional adjustments. If contractors have installed your wiring correctly, mounting takes just 15 minutes. Despite installation challenges in some cases, Xsense offers clear location-based alerts and dependable protection. For those prioritizing safety and clear notifications, this detector is an outstanding choice for comprehensive home monitoring. Coway Air Mega Mighty Air Purifier. The Coway Air Mega Mighty is a powerhouse for purifying spaces up to 361 square feet, effectively filtering out dust, pollen, smoke, and odors with its 4-stage filtration system. It combines a pre-filter, deodorization filter, true HEPA filter, and vital ion filter, removing up to 99.97% of particles down to 0.3 microns. This makes it ideal for tackling allergens, pet hair, and other pollutants, as shown by its impressive capture rate over 6 months of use. One of the standout features is its pollution sensor, which continuously monitors air quality and adjusts the fan speed automatically. With Eco Mode, it also conserves energy by turning off the fan when the air is clean. This purifier is designed for convenience, with a filter replacement indicator, multiple fan speeds, and a quiet operation range of 24.4 dB to 53.88 dB. Its sleek, compact design and easy-to-use controls make it a valuable addition to any room. For those seeking an efficient, quiet, and low-maintenance air purifier, the Coway Air Mega Mighty is an outstanding choice. Keurig Duo Coffee Maker. The Keurig Duo is an excellent choice for those who love versatility in their coffee routine. With the ability to brew both single cups and full carafes, it's designed for various needs, whether you're making a quick cup or serving guests. The device accommodates K-cup pods and ground coffee, making it adaptable to personal preferences. Its multi-stream technology evenly saturates grounds for a rich, full-bodied flavor, while the brew over ice setting ensures your iced coffee stays refreshing without too much dilution. You can select from multiple sizes, 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounces for single cups, and the same options for carafes. The 72-aughts shared reservoir minimizes the need for constant refilling, and the front-facing control panel simplifies selection. Users will also appreciate the strong brew and extra hot options for a bolder, hotter cup. With fast brewing and straightforward setup, the Keurig Duo is a reliable, convenient coffee solution for busy households or coffee enthusiasts. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro stands out with its versatility and premium build quality. Equipped with the Element IQ system, this countertop oven uses smart algorithms to direct heat precisely where it's needed, achieving even cooking results every time. Its 13 cooking functions, ranging from baking and broiling to air frying and dehydrating, make it a true kitchen multitasker. Super convection technology maximizes airflow, reducing cooking time and ensuring perfectly crisp air-fried foods. This oven also has an interior light, a thoughtful feature for monitoring your food without disrupting the cooking process. It's spacious enough to fit a Dutch oven, and the 2-speed fan offers control over airflow for optimal roasting and dehydrating. With access to Breville Plus and guided recipes tailored for this appliance, it's designed to enhance your cooking experience. For anyone looking to replace multiple appliances with one efficient, high-performance device, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is a fantastic choice that combines durability, convenience, and advanced cooking capabilities. Kasa Smart Plug. The Kasa Smart Plug makes it simple to automate your home devices. With Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility, you can control lights, fans, and other appliances hands-free, perfect for those moments when your hands are full or you're not near the switch. Setup is quick and easy. Just plug it in, connect via the Kasa app, and you're ready to go. Scheduling features are also a game changer, allowing you to set timers for everything from morning coffee makers to holiday lights. In my own experience, the Kasa plugs are reliable and respond seamlessly to commands. I've added several throughout my home and even gifted some to family. Unlike other brands I've tried which struggled with connectivity, these have consistently worked, adding both convenience and energy savings to my routine. With Kasa's proven reputation and UL certification, this smart plug is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home's functionality. Govee Wi-Fi Water Sensor. The Govee Wi-Fi Water Sensor is a small but powerful device designed to safeguard your home from potential water damage. With real-time alerts through emails and app notifications, it instantly informs you of any leaks, even if you're miles away. Its gateway connects up to 10 sensors, perfect for comprehensive home coverage, from the basement to the laundry room. The sensor's dual-probe design detects both drips and leaks, allowing you to pinpoint issues fast. During a recent leak in my laundry room, the Govee sensor alerted me immediately, saving me from a potentially costly repair. The device's loud 100 dB alarm is easy to hear, and it also includes a mute button for convenience. With adjustable volume settings, it fits different needs and scenarios. This water sensor is a great investment for your peace of mind, especially with its easy-to-use. Eco Trash Can. The Eco Trash Can combines style and practicality with premium motion sensor technology that opens and closes seamlessly, creating a truly hands-free experience. Its stainless steel finish is fingerprint resistant, so it stays smudge-free and looking great in any kitchen or workspace. With 25% more capacity thanks to a no-liner design, it fits more trash than most standard cans, while maintaining a compact footprint. I've had the Eco in my kitchen for months, and the motion sensor has been incredibly reliable, adding an unexpected touch of convenience to everyday life. It's powered by AA batteries, lasting up to 8 months, which means minimal maintenance and a budget-friendly choice. This trash can is perfect for anyone who wants an efficient and stylish solution to kitchen waste. Dyson Cordless Vacuum. The Dyson Cordless Vacuum takes home cleaning to a new level with its powerful suction and intelligent features. Designed for whole home deep cleaning, it reveals even the tiniest particles of dust with its innovative laser light feature, showing you just how much dirt is hiding in plain sight. This vacuum offers 100% more power than previous models and up to 60 minutes of runtime, making it ideal for larger spaces or extended cleaning sessions. The LCD screen is a standout, displaying real-time data on particles picked up, remaining battery time, and maintenance alerts, adding a tech-savvy edge to everyday cleaning. With 2 advanced cleaner heads, the fluffy optic head for hard floors, and the digital motor bar for all surfaces, it adapts effortlessly to different floor types and handles pet hair with ease. Its lightweight design and conversion to a handheld make it versatile enough for car interiors, upholstery, and stairs. If you're looking for a reliable, adaptable vacuum, the Dyson Cordless Vacuum is a solid investment for any household. Drio Solaris Max Space Heater. The Drio Solaris Max Space Heater combines quick warmth with excellent safety features, making it a reliable choice for large rooms in colder climates. Using HyperAmix technology, it heats rooms rapidly, reaching up to 11.5 feet per second airflow, so you can feel cozy within minutes. Its upgraded design includes a reinforced plug, V0 flame retardant materials, and multiple safety protections, including tip-over and overheat sensors. One of the best aspects is its quiet operation at 32 dB, ideal for bedrooms or offices where you want warmth without disturbance. The heater also features precise temperature control, allowing you to set your ideal temperature between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 95 degrees Fahrenheit in eco mode, while its wide-angle oscillation ensures heat is distributed evenly across spaces, up to 270 square feet. With 4 heating modes and even a fan option, this Drio heater adapts to various needs, whether you want intense warmth or gentle air circulation. It's a reliable, high-performance heater that makes cold days comfortable and worry-free. WaterDrop G3 Reverse Osmosis Water Filter. The WaterDrop G3 Reverse Osmosis Water Filter delivers premium water quality with an impressive 8-stage filtration process, effectively reducing contaminants like TDS, chlorine, and heavy metals. Certified by NSF and other international standards, it provides fresh, clean-tasting water that meets rigorous safety requirements. With a tankless design, it saves up to 70% of undersink space, and filter changes are a breeze. No tools required. One of its highlights is the Smart Display Faucet, which shows real-time TDS levels and tracks filter life, ensuring you're always aware of water quality. Its 2:1 low drain ratio is eco-friendly, producing just 1 cup of wastewater for every 2 cups of filtered water. This system is capable of delivering up to 600 gallons of purified water per day, filling an 8-ounce glass in just 8 seconds. For households seeking an efficient, high-capacity water filter with minimal maintenance, the WaterDrop G3 is an outstanding choice that combines convenience with top-notch performance. These 15 Amazon gadgets provide powerful and practical solutions for the home, whether it's boosting efficiency, enhancing security, or adding convenience to your everyday life. Each product has been designed to simplify tasks and improve your space, offering features that make a noticeable difference in your routine. Don't miss out on these innovative gadgets that are transforming modern living with style and functionality. Discover the benefits of smart, efficient gadgets and start elevating your space. Check out the links in our review to explore each product and see how these Amazon gadgets can make your life easier, safer, and more enjoyable.